Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and today I will be reviewing this airsoft replica. It's not a real gun in this video, it's no real firearm, so YouTube please don't think this is the real gun or something. This is the airsoft replica. Yep, and this is the Marushin M1887 gas operating shotgun repeater. Yeah, that's right. So in this video I'm not going to do an chrono or accuracy test because this gun take 8mm BBs and I do not have 8mm BBs. It's really hard to find 8mm BBs in Thailand, so I cannot chrono or doing accuracy test for you guys. But yeah, I will be reviewing this gun. So let's start from the shell. We got this shell here. It's blue, and we got the gold brass base here. It's hollow. Put the BBs in, and the gas is passed to here. And also, the gun itself. Let me focus. It's basically got I'm not sure the thread here is a thread. Got a thread here, and I think, and this is the grip. There we go. Grip here. It's kind of dark wood style color. I think it's the real wood. I'm not sure. If someone knows, please tell me in the comment. But I think it's the real wood. Whether I touched it, and yeah, it's got a scar on it, so I guess it's the real wood. But the barrel and anything else, the body is plastic. Yeah, just like the Marushin style, Japanese style gun. Yeah. Got the tube here. We don't have the front side, but we do have the small low profile rear side. As you can see, I'm not sure this is the rear side or not, but yeah, it's what we get from here. And this is the hammer. Yeah, all right, and this is the lever. Sorry for the camera, it's kind of dark here. In this side we got no thread mark here. We got 2 screws here, one on. Yep, that's pretty much of it. And yeah, so to reload this gun, basically I show you in the intro, but basically just pull out this lever and put the shell inside here in the bottom one and push it in. I'm gonna put 2 shells in here because it's really stiff, and it's kind of pushed it back. Yep, it's kind of pushed back. Yeah, just like so, and then just cross it. And then just shoot this, and there we go. The shell is pop up and ready to be chamber. You just put the chamber in like so, and then shoot. But there's no gas in here, so don't worry. I have to charge this like faster than this, just like this. Oops, hit the camera. Let's try it one more time. Showing, but the shell is ejecting properly. I have to just pull it faster than this. Yeah, there we go. I have to pull this. I have to cock this the shell, the action lever fast, so it's kind of eject properly. Yep, and that's pretty much of it. Oh yeah, the gas. How to charge the gas. Basically, actually it's pretty hard. Actually, very hard. Yeah, so what you can do is basically, let me line it up for a straight one. Yeah, there's, you see, in the brass here, like so in here. Let me, just, you see, this, yeah, there you see, this is the gold brass inside here. This is the wow. Basically, have to use the adapter to charge it. I have this adapter, have to modify it, and basically just charge it. Not sure I can do it on or not because I'm putting it on my leg here and charge inside here. It's really hard. Oh man, this is very hard. Just cannot use the normal gas valve. Use this adapter. He'll charge. Oh yeah, we got this thread here too. Let me show you first. I didn't see it. Manufactured by the Winchester repeater. Let me show you. Manufacturing by the Winchester repeater arms co. Marushin Industry, made in Japan, which is nice. We got the Winchester repeater. Alright, let's try. I think this is the Winchester thread. I'm not sure. Yeah. I mean, it's Winchester thread. Yeah. But it's pretty cool, Winchester. Yeah, and the gas of this shotgun is not that much. I mean, not that powerful. It's kind of old too, and yeah, it's not shooting much of gas here. So yeah, and this gun is pretty old, more than 10 years, and yeah. But in terms of it, it's pretty cool gun. It's the cowboy shotgun repeater. You can see in many video games and movie. The video games such as the Red Dead Redemption Online or Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 OG. Yep, and this gun is pretty cool. And you can see this gun in the movies such as the Terminator 2, which Arnold Schwarzenegger used it in the movies. That's so cool. Yeah, used to reloading with one hand. Yes, it's very cool to rescue. Yeah, go. Yeah, in the rescue scene. Yeah, from John with rescue John Connor. Yeah, that's right. Alright guys, that is for today's video. So if you like this video, please make a like, comment or subscribe if you wish. I really appreciate that so much. If you enjoy this video or if you want to help this channel, please do like button or subscribe. It really helped me so much. And thank you for watching guys. You guys are the best. Peace out bro. See you later on another video. Bye.